This is one of Himachal's hidden temples, which many people also call Mini Amarnath. Just half an hour from Manali, tucked inside Solang Valley, lies a beautiful gem, Anjanai Mahadev Temple. If you're visiting Manali, don't skip this place. This temple is dedicated to Anjani Mat, the mother of Hanumanji. And the most unique part? A natural waterfall falls directly on the Shivling, making it feel as if nature itself is offering prayers. It is around 14 kilometers from Manali, and the last 2 kilometers involve a short trek. But the route is so beautiful that it doesn't even feel like a trek. The waterfall falling on the Shivling looks absolutely dreamy.